Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take you behind the scenes of how preserved roses are made, and we'll be focusing on the process at Afro Biotechnology, a company that specializes in the design and production of preserved flowers for gifts and home decoration. The process begins with the careful selection of fresh, healthy flowers for picking. The flowers are chosen when they are just blooming, ensuring that they are at their peak beauty and freshness. Once the flowers are picked, they undergo a dehydration treatment. This process involves using special dehydrating agents or other chemicals to remove moisture from the flowers while maintaining their original shape and color. After dehydration, the flowers undergo a dyeing treatment. This step allows the flowers to be dyed in a variety of colors, giving them a vibrant and unique appearance. The next step is fixation, where a special fixative is used to set the shape and color of the dyed flowers, ensuring that they maintain their beauty for years to come. Finally, the fixed flowers are dried using low temperature or vacuum drying methods to remove any remaining moisture. This ensures that the preserved roses remain bright and beautiful for an extended period of time. The result is a stunning bouquet of preserved roses that can last for more than 3 years. These 100% natural flowers are grown in the ground and require no water or sunlight for maintenance, making them a perfect choice for those looking for long-lasting floral arrangements. Afro Biotechnology offers a variety of flower options and color choices, allowing customers to create personalized and unique arrangements that suit their individual style and preferences. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the process of how preserved roses are made. If you're interested in adding a touch of everlasting beauty to your home or gifting a loved one with a stunning floral arrangement, be sure to check out Afro Biotechnology's range of preserved flower products. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at the creation of beautiful and unique products. See you next time.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.